Next, thermal equilibrium and method of mixtures. Thermal equilibrium and method of mixtures. Thermal equilibrium is nothing but if we take two bodies, one hot body and another one cold body. If we take two objects, hot object at temperature T1 and cold object at temperature T2. If we bring these two objects into contact, then after some time these two objects will come to one equilibrium temperature. At this state, then these two objects are said to be in thermal equilibrium. Thermal equilibrium means nothing but when two objects at different temperatures are brought into contact, then after some time both objects will come to the same temperature. At that state, then those objects are said to be in thermal equilibrium. Thermal equilibrium is nothing but the state at which two objects are at same temperature is called thermal equilibrium. Since two objects are at same temperature, then there will not be any heat transfer between the two objects. So at the state of thermal equilibrium, no heat transfer takes place between the objects. Now let us see principle of method of mixtures. See, if we take two objects, one hot object at temperature T1, another one cold object at temperature T2. If we mix these two objects, it means if we brought these two objects into contact, then after some time both objects will come to same temperature, that is nothing but equilibrium temperature, and that state is nothing but thermal equilibrium. And at this state what happens? Whatever the heat lost by hot object is equal to heat gained by cold body. So heat lost by hot body is equal to heat gained by cold body. This is nothing but principle of method of mixtures. Now we need to derive what is this final temperature. After some time both objects will come to one final equilibrium temperature. We need to find out what is the value of that equilibrium temperature. For example, I am taking two objects of mass m1 and another cold body of mass m2. One is hot object at temperature T1, mass m1, another one is cold object at temperature T2 and mass m2. Now when we bring these two objects into contact, then these two objects will come to one final temperature, equilibrium temperature. So according to principle of method of mixtures, what happens is heat lost by hot object is equal to heat gained by cold object. So heat energy formula we already know from the previous video. We already derived heat energy formula, that is ms delta T. So heat lost by hot object is mass of the hot object m1, specific heat of hot object S into temperature change of hot object. Initially hot object is at temperature T1, finally it is coming to equilibrium temperature T. So temperature change is T1 minus T. And heat gained by cold object, whatever it is, heat formula is ms delta T. Whatever the object may be, heat formula is ms delta T, and mass of the cold object is m2, and specific heat of cold object is S, and temperature change of cold object. Initially cold object is at temperature T2, finally it is coming to temperature T. So temperature change is T minus T2. So here S and S will get cancelled, and if you solve this equation, m1T1 minus m1T is equal to m2T minus m2T2. If you bring m2T2 to other side, this minus m2T2 on coming this side, it will become plus m2T2. So m1T1 plus m2T2 is equal to, take this m1T to other side, m2T plus m1T. If you take T as common, m1 plus m2 into T. So finally T is equal to m1T1 plus m2T2 by m1 plus m2. So this is the formula to find equilibrium temperature. Now I am giving you one objective, I am giving you one problem to solve. That is, we have hot water. For example, if you want to bath, we will heat the water. For example, if you heat the water of mass 10 kg to 70 degrees centigrade. At 70 degrees centigrade, you cannot take bath because it is very hot to take bath. it will boil our skin. So what you need to do is, you need to cool it. You need to cool that hot water by mixing some cold water. For example, if you are mixing this cold water of mass 10 kg and temperature of this cold water is 30 degrees centigrade. If you are mixing these two objects, hot water and cold water, at temperature 70 degrees centigrade and 30 degrees centigrade, and at the and temperature 30 degrees centigrade, if you are mixing these two substance, then you need to say what is the final temperature. You need to solve what is the final temperature. I'm giving you clue. Please use this formula to find the final temperature. After mixing both substance, hot water and cold water, they will reach one equilibrium temperature. Now I am asking you to find that final equilibrium temperature, and the clue is you need to use this formula to find the final temperature, and the answer is 50 degrees centigrade. Check whether you got 50 degrees centigrade or not. I hope it's clear. Thank you everyone.